Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you on a 3-hour bike ride crossing through beautiful nature and actually seeing some wildlife as well. So let's get into the video. So as you can see here on the video, it's an amazing spring day and therefore a fantastic day to be outside on a long bike ride. I was planning to be out for around 3 hours in total, and it ended up being around 65 kilometers. And as you can see, we're starting out in the city, but soon we'll be making our way to the national park. So why am I on a city bike biking for 60 kilometers? Well, in another video I explained that the hip flexor injury that I had was gone, and actually it was also gone in that video, to be honest. So I was super happy. I thought that my injury was over, but unfortunately it came back 1 week later. So the last, oh my god, there's a deer. Ha. Wow, that is crazy. There's a deer passing the path. I hope you can see it on the video. I love it. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, so my injury came back unfortunately. So I stopped running for I think around 3 weeks now. And yeah, I have to fill it with something. So I picked up my bike and just started going for easy bike rides, just to keep my cardiovascular system a bit intact. I'm actually enjoying it, so I'm now considering buying a race bike to do bigger tours. But for now, this city bike is okay, and I'm actually really enjoying it. So, going for a little break here. Absolutely beautiful spot to take a little bit of a drink and the wrap that I made. So let me just quickly get the bad boys. Hoppa. So that was really good. I have one more, but I think I'll keep that one for maybe later, or maybe not at all, because I'm still a bit full from my lunch. But I did bring myself a nice treat. Oh. That's the stuff. But let's continue the journey. We're almost halfway there, so still around 1.5 hours to go. Let's go. So we have these things here in the Netherlands, and I'm not sure if this is an international thing, but at least we have it here in the country. And what it does is there are like big oxes or cows, I don't know what to call it actually, anyway, very big animals like that live in this area, that should stay in this area. So there's a whole fence around this national park, and what they do then is for bike paths like the one that I'm on, they put, of course there's no fence, so they put these things on the road so that an animal like that does not get out of the park. So 80% or maybe 90% of the road has been on this unhardened gravelly road, so no asphalt. So if I would have gone with a real race bike, this would be very interesting, but luckily with this bike, with this city bike, it's definitely doable. Speaking of the devil, those were exactly the animals that I was just talking about, that were where the fences were made for. I think the animal is the Scottish Highlander, I'm not 100% sure, but a beautiful, huge animal. Holy moly, the wind is not in my favor today. You also see it in my hair. When I film myself, it's always backwards. Getting later, the sun is setting almost, but we're on our way home, so we have around 10k left to do. Legs still feel pretty good, so super happy with this bike ride. So we made it. Oh, I got a new hairstyle from this. New hairstyle from this ride. Anyway, we made it back. It was a total of 62k-ish. I think I missed. I put on the tracker a little bit too late when I started again, but felt really good. It was super nice. It was fantastic spring weather, so couldn't wish for better conditions. The route was also amazing, so all in all, super happy with this nice ride. But I'm looking forward to running again. So soon, hopefully, you will start to see more running adventures on this channel as well. Speaking of that, if you're looking for a nice nature trail run, this video here takes you on a super nice journey that I filmed earlier on in this spring. So check it out. But for now, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao.